If you wonder what orange paste is, it's similar to orange jam. But unlike the jam, it's not suggested to be spread on the bread or eaten alone, as it could be slightly bitter. Orange paste is quite versatile. One of the simplest usages is to add it to the plain yogurt, which will become gourmet. Another example is my orange cheesecake, which I'll show you how to make next time. But today, let's prepare the orange paste first. You will need 7 to 8 sweet and juicy oranges and some white sugar. Now to start with, bring half a pot of water to boil, then carefully add in the oranges one by one. Blanch one side for 30 seconds, and then use a slot to flip side and blanch the other side for another 30 seconds. After that, take the oranges out and discard the hot water. You can rinse the oranges under the cold tap water till they're not hot to touch. Next is to cut oranges. Split in half and cut into smaller wedges. Get rid of any white pit. And then cut further into small pieces. Repeat with the remaining oranges. In the same pot, add the oranges, following by the white sugar. Shake to mix a bit. Then use a spatula to incorporate sugar with the oranges. Till no white color is visible. Turn heat on to medium. Keep mixing till the sugar melts. You will find it has become quite watery. Bring it to a boil. Use a spatula to feel the bottom to prevent burning. Also, scrape sides to make sure all sugar crystals will be submerged in the liquid. When all the sugar has melted, turn heat to low. Cover and keep cooking for 45 to 60 minutes. To check doneness, fish a piece on a saucer and use a knife to pierce through. If you feel no resistance, it is done. Turn heat off and let it cool a bit. Then add cooked oranges to a blender. Do remember not to leave the juice behind. Turn the machine on and keep blending into fine paste. Just be careful as it could still be piping hot. Transfer to the sanitized jars and store in the refrigerator for at least 6 months. And that's how you make the orange paste.